Get this, look at this. I'm gonna show it. Malasebo ya. Nababo kabayan, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga community. So we would like to thank Kitchen-NETH for sending us their dishes. As soon as na-receive po namin ito, grabe, excited na talaga akong matikman kasi, take a look at it, guys. On our table, we have 5 premium dishes that are available on trays, on pan. Great for small gatherings, intimate celebrations, as well as kung nagki-crave ka ng mga ganitong klaseng pagkain. So, samahan niyo ako. Tara! Alright, so first off, tikman natin yung kanilang cheesy and beefy lasagna. Grabe guys, sarap nito. Naman ha? Wow! So it is true, it's so cheesy, it's so beefy dun sa pinaka-meat natin, and at the same time, lasang-lasa mo yung mga spices, herbs and spices na included dito. Ang sarap niya. And at the same time, gusto yung pagka-sweet and sour nung sauce niya. Swak na swak sa panlasa ng Pinoy. Naman na. Okay, so next I wanna try is yung kanilang roast beef. Grabe guys, if you are just with me, this is so aromatic. Ang bango ng roast beef talaga nila. Oh wow! Gusto ko yung parang half-cook yung onion kasi it adds a little texture kapag ginunguya mo siya. And I gotta say, yung beef natin, it's so tender, ang lambot. It's almost you're chewing a marshmallow. Ganun siya kalambot guys. And then yung sauce naman, it's so buttery and garlicky. So for their appetizer and finger food, nagpadala po sila ng chicken wings. So it has 2 flavors. I believe this one is a buffalo wings and then this is a parmesan. So let's check it out. Oh wow! I love the parmesan, it's so cheesy. Yung dip it is so creamy. It's a little bit creamy and sour. Yeah. Parang sour cream. I think so. Parang ganun yung sauce niya. Wow! Ang sarap! And na-appreciate ko to guys because it's a little bit hot and spicy. So, I'm not sure if this is sriracha or buffalo wings. But nonetheless guys, sobrang ternong-terno siya dun sa dip natin. Okay, next I wanna taste is yung kanilang spicy shrimp marinara. If you notice again guys, this is so lovely. It's so beautiful in colors. Almost ayaw mo siyang kainin dahil napakaganda. You're gonna ruin the beauty. But then again, of course, we gotta taste it. Oh man. What I also love about here, of course, marinara. Meron tayong mga huge shrimps. There you go guys. Look at these. Alright, so this time, yung marinara naman nila tends to a little bit sour naman. So I guess because of the tomato. It's a little bit Italian yung kanyang theme. Okay, this time, the shrimp. Let me taste the shrimp. Wow, that is so fresh. So fresh. Guys, as soon as it enters your mouth, it's gonna explode. Parang na-imagine ko yung, ocean, mixed seafood over there. Oh wow, ang sarap. And so, lastly in the middle, ang tawag dito is seafood mix in Cajun sauce. So if you notice guys, different kinds of seafood in the platter. So we have crabs, yung mga tahong, meron din tayong pusit, yan, shrimp, or squid. Oh yeah, very lovely again. Napakagandang presentation. I just imagine, no, so kapag in-order nyo to, and then you bring it on a parang potluck, ganyan. A family, an intimate potluck, they're gonna be impressed. Grabe, guys. Oh, so again, guys, look at this. Napakataba ng crab natin. You're gonna notice it because of ano, itong aligyan niya. This one. This is what I want. Ooh. Ang sarap. I have to commend the chef. It's well cooked. And at the same time, napaka-intact pa rin yung fat, pinaka-meat, and then yung overall appearance niya. It's still looking appetizing. Alright, so there you have it guys. I am pretty sure natakam kayo at nagutom kayo dun sa mga food na nakita nyo dito. So if you're interested to experience what I experienced today, make sure to check out Kitchen-NETH. We're gonna be flashing the fan page right now. Make sure to call them. Ito pala yung menu nila. So there you have it guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. I'm gonna share this with my family. You take care guys. I hope to see you in the next video. Peace out. Bye.